Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In today's episode, we will get to know how to make cardboard phone. Making a cardboard phone can be a fun and educational project for school kids. Here's a simple step-by-step guide. Materials: cardboard. You can use an old cereal box or any sturdy cardboard. Ruler, pencil, scissors, markers, or colored pencils. Glue or tape. Plastic lids or buttons for buttons optional. Steps: prepare a cardboard. Take your cardboard and draw the outline of a phone. You can make it as big or as small as you like. Cut out the shape. Carefully lick it along the outline of the phone shape using scissors. Design the phone. Use markers or colored pencils to decorate your cardboard phone. You can make it look like a real phone or get creative with your designs. Create a screen. Draw a rectangle on the front of your phone to represent the screen. You can leave it blank or draw icons and apps on it. Buttons and features. Add buttons on the sides of the phone. You can use plastic lids or cut small circles from cardboard and glue or tape them in place. Details and features. Add details like a camera, speaker, or any other features you'd like your phone to have. Fold for realism. If you're using a thicker cardboard, consider folding it slightly at the top to mimic the shape of a real phone. Let it dry. If you used glue, let your phone dry completely before playing with it. Now you have your own cardboard phone. It's a great way for kids to get hands-on with a simple DIY project and learn a bit about design and creativity. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.